Hello, my friends. Alena from Intense Memories. Like to share my happiness because today I got a package from Poland from Scrapboys, and let's see what is inside. So let's see quickly. Open. Thank you very much, Marius, for that package. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So quickly I take out everything what is inside. It's too many. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Okay. I take off the box. No. And that is something very special. Scrapboys will do courses for that round circle, and it's hardboard. Okay, we will see. I signed for this workshop, so let's see what is next. Next is some many beautiful words in English. Then okay, I'm so happy. That is just something for Christmas, something for boys and steampunk. Yeah, I already had that. And that is from last year. Okay. They do, Marius did also some workshop for that desk. Here. Okay, I will try to take off this because it's doing too much noise. So beautiful flowers with magnets, glue. I never use this. Popolski clay czarodziej. Okay. Beautiful frames. Look at that. I'm so excited to do something already. Okay, that will be flowers. That is double tapes. And I love how they do that package from that double squares, because we can cut these leaves. Beautiful. Here we have some album. Oh wow, wow. So I will do something, and I never have that Japanese beauty, and I am so exciting. Okay, I never thinking, but now I think when I was in New York, that is Japanese garden, and I have few photos from them, so I can use this paper maybe for this album. Yes, it's exactly 6 by 6. Then we have some ribbon that will be probably for the big circle. Okay, it's notes. Beautiful. Here we have some laces. Beautiful laces. Wow, such a nice. It's some tape, double tape. Here some chipboards. useful, the lamps, very nice. And now we have romantic garden. Me and my friends like fussy cutting, so will have time for doing that. Here is 6x6 paper. It's such a beautiful. I already did some wedding album and used this door. Beautiful. Okay, here is die cut and something for fussy cutting. Wow, I never saw. It's mounting tape. Wow. Okay, and now paper. Okay, here is, and it's very nice. Have some structure on. Beautiful paper. And here is romantic garden. So let's see. I know this paper, but I have to show you. I am so proud. I have more. So let's see. Here is something for cutting. Look at that couple birds. It can be beautiful for wedding album. It's two of them. Oh, that camera and that birds and beautiful flowers. I like also the back. I can waiting to cut this and put some picture inside. Okay. Oh, that's nice. I always too much love flowers on whole pages. And we can do many different things. Okay. Cards. Wedding album, that is also beautiful. Beautiful. And also can be calendar or something like. Oh, that lavender is such a nice. Okay, okie dokie. Doesn't go out right. Okay. So here is double set. I always need two packages because one I can't do it. Oh, that Marina. It's for summer album. So I have to do right away because summer is almost on end and we have to put photos for album for people who loves to be on beach. Okay, beautiful. Look at that. Maps. Look like Marius. Okay. Nice blue. I love that, man. Like, love. Oh, wow. So nice images, so nice Decorative. Yo, oh, wow, wow. Maybe I don't go to sleep. Okay, that is small one. No, it's for fussy cutting. And here is 6 by 6. I am ready to do it. So that is for romantic garden. And I am so excited about it. Lavender. Wow. Really nice. Romantic. Okay. Beautiful, that church. The castle. And horse. My granddaughter, but she is small, oh, just 13, but she is big lover for horses. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And here are cards. Okay. I love this structure. Beautiful. Such a nice design. Lavender everywhere. Okay. And that... when I see that circles, because they use in all design, they design, I am thinking always to cut, but here I can't. It's beautiful. Maybe just cut here and put photo like that, a little bit. Okay, I will see. Nice. Beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, boys. Thank you, Marius, to thinking and make me that beautiful gift. Thanks so much. That is for 6, that is for cut. And we have some Elizabeth. Okay. That makes me memory about Queen Elizabeth. And I have also one baby girl. She is from England and get name Elizabeth. But she is too small now to... I make her for baby album, and that beautiful name Elizabeth. And I have friends in Krakow. She has name Elizabeth. That is for... pardon. One is for Elizabeth, and one is from Lavender. And let's see Elizabeth inside. No, I not will sleep maybe 1 month, maybe more. Okay, so Elizabeth, what you have inside? Okay, that we saw already. And that girl is beautiful, beautiful. Flowers nice, bird, roses, and very nice, delicate background. That cat. Okay. And typewriter. Okay. We can use it. That little bit of wood. Beautiful. That I love. Okay, flowers, it's beautiful. Very nice. And that old transistor radio. And that is not coffee. No, it's mail post mail. Beautiful. So yes, I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much, boys. I am so happy, and I hope I make many projects for you. Thanks.